Hello guys, welcome to AI Sam's universe. Today I'm going to show you two amazing AI tools that will help you generate subtitles for your videos in both Hindi and English, completely free. So let's dive in and explore both of them, one by one. All right, starting with number one. The first tool is Microsoft's ClipChamp. Okay, first, open your Chrome browser, then search for ClipChamp and simply click on the very first link you see. So, this is the landing page of ClipChamp. And here, first of all, you'll need to sign up. You can either use your own Gmail or simply use temp mail. But since I've already signed in before, I'll just sign in. Now, here, click on Create a New Video, and then click on Import Media to import the video you want to generate subtitles for. Once your video is imported, just drag and drop the media here. Next, click on Captions, and then click on Try Now. Here, select the language of your video. If your video is in English, choose English. Or if it's in Hindi, select Hindi. Since my video is in Hindi, I'll choose Hindi and then click on Transcribe Media. Now, wait for a few seconds until your subtitle generates. Once they're generated, you can simply play your video along with the generated subtitles.
मैं डिजिटल आदमी हुई नहीं, मैं एकदम ऐसा एनालॉग आदमी हूँ। तो जैसे लोग जूम पे मीटिंग करते हैं, तो मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आता जूम पे मीटिंग कैसे होती है। जब तक अपन आमने सामने नहीं बैठे, मुझे मीटिंग समझ में नहीं आती।
You can also customize your subtitles by clicking on the subtitle track. From here, you can change the subtitle font, thickness, size, make it bold or italic, and adjust the color. In the advanced settings, you can change the subtitle outline color and even enable subtitle shadow. Once you're done with all the settings, you can simply export your subtitled video from here. All right, let's jump to number two. The second tool is Simplified. Okay, again, open your Chrome browser, then search for Simplified, and simply click on the very first link you see. So, this is the landing page of Simplified. And here, first of all, you'll need to sign up. You can simply use temp mail for unlimited credits, but since I've already signed in before using temp mail, I'll just sign in. And from here, click on AI Subtitles. Then you'll land on this page. From here, select your video ratio and then click on Skip Template Selection. Now, upload the video you want to generate subtitles for and wait for a few seconds until the upload is complete. Once the upload is done, choose the language of your video. Since we generated subtitles in Hindi using the first tool, in this one, we'll generate subtitle in English, so I'll choose English. And finally, just click on Generate. Now, wait for a few seconds until your subtitles are generated. Once they're ready, you can simply play your video along with the generated subtitles.
Stop trying to control everything. Not everything broken needs you to fix it. You'll burn out before life slows down. Stop treating peace.
You can also customize your subtitles by clicking on the subtitle track. Then, click on Subtitles, and you'll find a variety of styles to choose from, so you can pick the one that best suits your content. And once you're done, you can simply export and download your video from here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.